Hi, you cool cats. Cadron here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools, and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now, my purpose is to serve, motivate, and to inspire you. So if it's your first time here, consider subscribing and remember to turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. Now, today I am going to show you how to play Don't Worry, Be Happy by Bobby McFerrin. Now, maybe you want to show off your skills as a beginner to play your first song so that you can impress your girlfriend, like I did while I was in college. Yeah, and sweep her off her feet. So all you need to know in order to play this song are 5 keys or 5 notes on your saxophone, and I'm going to switch the angle of the camera in a second so that I can show you just how we are going to do that. Now, to play any song by ear, all you need to do are 3 things. 1, play slowly. 2, you play it phrase by phrase. And 3, you put it all together at the end. Okay? And so we're going to take those 3 simple steps as we learn how to play this song, Don't Worry, Be Happy by Bobby McFerrin. Alright guys, so to play this song, all you need to know are 5 notes. So we're in the key of G major, so that's concert B flat. So we are using 5 notes, which are the 5 notes in the pentatonic scale. Penta means 5 and the pentatonic scale has 5 notes. In this case, we are using the G major pentatonic scale, which has 5 notes, G, A, B, D, and E. And those are the only notes we're going to be using on our saxophone to play this beautiful song. So G, okay, 1, 2, 3, G, take up one finger, you get A, take up another finger, you get B. Then we're going to add back all our fingers on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put on our octave key for our D. So our octave key at the back with the left thumb at the back, okay? And then all we do is take up the right ring finger and we get E, okay? So those are the 5 notes. And from the bottom, D, E, G, A, B, okay? Or G, A, B, D, with the octave key right there, E, okay? That's it. Whenever you see a note on the screen, it means that you are to press down your octave key at the back with your left thumb, okay? All the other notes means that you're playing them without the octave key. All right, so the first line of the song that we're going to play is in the section where Bobby is whistling or wooing, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the first line is da, 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 which is G, E, D, E, B. Okay, octave key with that G, first note, okay. First line, second line with the octave key D on. Repeat that same line again. Then B, A, G, E, G. And we're going to repeat the whole thing again. So So every time you play the chorus, that's all you're going to play for the chorus, okay? Which is the wooing or the whistling. Now, we're going to go to the first verse. So the first line in the first verse, Bobby sings, "Here's a little song I wrote," and those notes are A, B, A, B, 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 D. So here we go. You might want to sing it note for note. Is the second line G, A, G, A, G, B, G, A. Don't worry and be happy are the same notes. So B, G, G, B, G, G. Don't worry. Be happy, same thing. Okay, then he goes to the next line. In every life we have some trouble. So that's A, B, A. We know that line with just a difference. A, B, A, B, 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 D, D. So then he goes on by saying, but when you worry, you make it double. So that's G, A, G, A, A, G, B, G, A, A. Then it goes back to don't worry, be happy, which are the same notes. B, G, G. Again. Then we go back to the chorus, which you already know, which is G, E, D, E, B, and so on. So repeat the chorus. Then we're going to go to one more verse, and then the song is basically finished. Okay? So he goes to the next verse where he says, ain't got no place to lay your head. A, B, A, B, 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 D. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry, be happy. You know that already. Okay, then the next line, the landlord say your rent is late. Then you may have to mitigate. Then it goes back, don't worry, be happy. You know that already. And then it goes, don't worry, be happy. This is G, 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 B, D, E, D, E. So okay, and then it goes back to the chorus, which you already know, which is repeat. Alright, so there you go, cool cats. Now, to check out a full rendition of this song covered by yours truly, click in the cards above to see that, or in the description below. You'll see I have a full version of it where I also do some improvisation. And I will also leave a link in the description below for you to get that exact backing track so that you can play this song along with the backing track and impress your friends. And again, the most important person you may want to impress is maybe your wife or your girlfriend or even your mother too. And as always, guys, push, play until something happens. Peace.